Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color this cute sheep. You'll need a sheet of paper and a pencil to start drawing right away. We'll start with the eyes and draw two ovals of roughly the same size. And we draw two very small circles inside these ovals. These are the sheep's eyes. Draw an eyebrow above each eye. Then draw the sheep's face with a large egg-shaped circle. In this face we draw the nostrils once on the left and once on the right quite far down. And now the face of our sheep is finished. Now we continue with the head. Here we draw lots of little curved lines at the top of the sheep's head. Similar to when you would draw a cloud. Draw this up to the height of both eyes. Now draw a very long ear to the left of the sheep's face. Repeat the same on the other side and draw a second ear of the same length. Finally finish drawing the head. The head is now covered with sheep's wool. We continue with the body of the sheep. Here we draw the body again in a cloud shape. We also draw a few small curved lines in the body. This makes the sheep's wool look a little prettier. Next we draw the sheep's legs. First the front left leg, then the front right leg. And finally we draw the back left leg and the back right leg. Now that our sheep is finished, we can start coloring it. For my sheep I use a light brown color for the eyebrows, face, ears and legs. I used a dark gray for the claws. Then I painted over the eyebrows and ears with a dark brown color. And finally I added some accents to the sheep's wool with a gray color. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.